welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. This video is something so different from what we usually do over here, but I thought why not try something out, try something new out, and maybe if you like it we can do it every month. So this is basically a November favorites video, everything I liked this month, and not only like stuff I bought or anything like that, but stuff I experienced, places I went, yeah, literally anything and everything that I did this month and I enjoyed. So that is what we are going to do today. First category that we're going to talk about is, I think, obviously shopping. We should talk about shopping first, and I think I shopped quite a bit this month, like not a lot, but it was my birthday month, so I mean it's okay, I can do it. Shopped from H&M like last week only, and that was basically winter stuff and like kind of winter wear. And guys, H&M has the best winter collection going on right now. Like everything is so cute and like you literally want to wear it. So there's no winter as such in Mumbai, but like they have like basic winter clothes, not very like hectic and not everything going on, like basic tees, long sleeve tees and all. And I'll put up pictures of what all I got, and I also posted a haul on my a try on haul on my Instagram, so you can check it out. Then I went to Uniqlo. Second, Uniqlo opened in Mumbai and I went for the launch, and oh my god, the store is beautiful, it's so good, and I saw so many cool things there. I actually went for the event, so I didn't have much time to shop that time, but I know that I'm going to go back again and shop a lot. See, they have the best winter clothes and the best basic clothes. So yeah. Third, okay, guys, West Side is upping its game, and how? On West Side you will find so many cute things and you won't be able to tell if it's from H&M, Zara, West Side. You can't make the difference out. Like everything is so cute, and especially I went last week, I didn't buy anything, but their winter collection is also insane. I'm gonna go soon and get something from there for sure. These are the heels I bought, like they are like proper party wear shimmery heels with this kind of heel at the back, and I love them so much. I wore them on my birthday. I also wore them for an event and they are so comfortable. And to be honest, I've been buying a lot of footwear from them from a long time, and I've been shopping from West Side since I was a kid, so West Side has always been my favorite and always been on my list. Next up, we come to my favorite category, everything matcha. Oh my god, jumping right into it. I visited Tokyo Matcha Bar in Bandra, and oh my god guys, you have to go there. Like you have to go there. It's literally the place that you get everything related to matcha. They have all kinds of matcha desserts, all kinds of matcha drinks, like in all forms, with milk, without milk, lemonade, everything. Like I can't even tell you, the menu was so vast. And what we had was we had the matcha miso, which is like basically a tiramisu but with matcha, which was so yummy. I can still dream of it. Like I think that was the best thing we had over there, like out of everything we ordered. Chocolate, a matcha chocolate, I think, like a drink that is matcha and chocolate together, and that was also quite good. Like I didn't expect matcha and chocolate to like taste good, but I think that was good. And a Hawaiian matcha latte. Oh my god, that was like proper, that wasn't like that sweet. It was for sure, the matcha taste was really overpowering, but I enjoyed it for sure. The matcha that I tried this month was at Nutcracker. I didn't know Nutcracker had matcha in the first place. Like I was shocked that Nutcracker has matcha, but I tried it. I saw it on the menu and I tried it, and I was surprised that like it looked so pretty, and also it tasted like really good. Okay, then I went for an Airbnb event last week. You all saw that, to Bastion. If you have not seen my vlog, then watch it already. And over there we tried all the matcha. Like there was literally a matcha menu and we tried everything, and everything was so good. Like they have a special matcha menu out there, and my favorite was the strawberry matcha. Oh my god, like my mouth is watering. Strawberry matcha, I love strawberry, I love matcha, both my favorite things together. Too good. Never end up going to Bastion, try the matcha out there. Everything matcha related is good over there. Like they had like the matcha lemonade, also the matcha yuzu lemonade, that was also great. The strawberry matcha was great, and I'm sure the other stuff is also really good. Okay, now we're going to jump into a really fun category, skincare, makeup and everything related to that. and everything I tried this month. This is a moisturizer that I tried. I got this in PR. It's from Dermaco. You can look at it. It's the 5% niacinamide daily hydrating moisturizer, and I usually use the Clinique moisturizer because it's amazing. You'll already know that. But this one I wanted to try. It's normal to combination skin, and I tried it, and it's so hydrating for the winters. Like, my skin is hydrated all day and I don't feel like it's getting dry or anything like that. I've been using it for 4-5 days now and I'm enjoying it. So yeah, all of this is not sponsored, by the way. Because this moisturizer by Aqualogica, it's literally an ice cream shape, you can tell. So I posted a reel about this on my Instagram, and that's when I tried it. And when I tried it, so basically I have a lot of Aqualogica products and I do use them, and they do suit me a lot because they are very lightweight and they're not like too much. So that's what I like about it. And this is a milk moisturizer, by the way. Like, it's milky texture, and I feel even this is great for the winter season. This also I used so much this month, and yeah, this is like another favorite. Also, it's cute, so why not? Thing that I really use a lot this month is this Plum Body Loving Vanilla Caramello Body Lotion. Oh my god, this smells so good. Like, if you want to smell like cocoa butter, this is what you need. And this also came, this actually I have had for so long, but I didn't use it at all. Like, it was too hot. Like, I didn't want to put, like, the weather was just not right to use this, and now the weather is getting perfect and I use this, and oh my god, like, I could smell this all day. This is too good. These Halo Glow Beauty Wands by ELF, and this is the highlighter and this is the blush. I had this for so long but I didn't use them. Then I used them, and then when I used them, I'm in love. Like, especially this blush is my favorite because it already has like kind of a highlight on it, so you don't need anything else with it. So been loving these two products also. And also ELF has been like my fave brand for quite a long time, so not surprised by that. We have these really cute mini perfumes, mini body mists actually by Aqualogica, which by the way I have the big ones also, like the full size, and these are the minis. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? This, oh my god, this is my favorite one actually, the Summer Sun-Kissed one. Wow, this is so good. And the packaging is kind of, they've duped Sol de Janeiro. Like, it's kind of a dupe, I feel, but I mean, for the price, this is worth it. And to just take around when you're going out in your purse, this is gonna fit for sure. Wow, this smells so good. I feel like applying it. And I'm gonna do it. Wow, the smell is just amazing. And cafes that I went to this month. Okay, so then I went to this cafe on my birthday. Like, both of these places I went to on my birthday for the first time. One is Barako, which is in Colaba, I think, and it's a boba cafe, yeah, boba tea cafe, bubble tea cafe. And I tried the matcha out there actually, which was quite like fine, only not that great. But then I went there later after a few days and I tried the milk tea boba, yeah, and it was so good. Like, I enjoyed it a lot, and I think it's a very cute hangout spot. Like, you can just go with your friends and all, and it has really good boba, and even Ria and Sahil enjoyed it. So yeah, I think that was one place that I tried new this month and I liked. And then on my birthday, I went to dinner with my family, and I went to this place called Laila in BKC, which Ria has been telling me to go since forever, but I never ended up going. And then I went on my birthday, and it has Mexican food, and the food was so good. Like, wow, it was amazing. Like, I hope I have a few pictures to show you all. I don't think I have much, but yeah, that place for sure, check it out, Laila in BKC. Yeah, I remembered one more place. I've been there before, but I've been there before with Ria on her birthday, but I went this time with my family. Malido Cafe in Kalagoda. I've been there before, but my family's first time over there, and all of them enjoyed the food thoroughly. Like, it was yummy for sure. So it's a very chill, cute cafe kind of vibe. So if you want to go there, definitely check it out. The food is amazing. A random category. There's no category. I'm just going to tell you all what I did. I did tufting this month with Sahil for the second time, and it was Sahil's first time, but we had so much fun, and it was such a cute day, such a nice way to spend a day. Like, you can do an activity and you're busy and you're doing something interesting, and also it's like you're having fun with it and you're doing something new. So there's this studio, Clumsy Studio in Prabhadevi, and we went there for tufting. Tufting is basically making a rug, and it's not that difficult, but if two people do it together, it's a lot of fun. So definitely recommend you going for that for sure. Like, you're gonna enjoy. Next we come to music. Okay, music, obviously there's lots of Taylor Swift that I listen to, so I'm not going to recommend Taylor Swift this time. Most favorite song this month, and I think it's all of yours also, like it's been there on reels, not even on reels, I heard it before that. Stacey Abrams, this artist is amazing. She basically opens for Taylor Swift, and she's been opening for Taylor Swift since last year. Even last year when Taylor Swift was on tour, she was opening for her, and I knew her since then. Heard some of her music, but this song just hits hard. That's So True by Gracie Abrams. Oh my god, I love that song. I have been singing it out all month, and it's my top pick for this month. I Love You, I'm Sorry by Gracie Abrams. These are my song picks for this month. I'm going to do the last category, that is anything I watched and I like shows or movies. This month I didn't watch a lot, but I watched this one true crime documentary called Sweet Bobby on Netflix, and oh my god, let me tell you, it blew my mind. It was insane. Like, I don't want to say a lot about it. I want you all to watch it. It's basically a documentary about catfishing, and how someone is catfishing someone for so long and that person doesn't realize, and it's real. So yeah, that one. And one really trash TV reality show that I watched was Perfect Match. It's a dating show, and it was like so time pass and so fun, but also like so binge worthy. I enjoyed that a lot. And I think that's all for this video. End the video right here. And November is also ending today. Today is the last day of November. We are at the end of this year, and tell me what you want to watch in December, the last month of this year, and we will do that. So yes, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and yeah, take care. See you in my next video.